Hey guys, my name is Daniel Jolly. Last night I made a spontaneous decision to book a flight tomorrow morning to Costa Rica. Last year in March I was down there right when the COVID-19 pandemic broke, and they started shutting down the airplanes. I was able to get on one back, and it's been a year since, and restrictions are pretty high here still in the States, but I can get down that way, and so for the next couple weeks I'm going to take you with me. See you there. It's 5 a.m. in the morning. I booked this flight 2 nights ago, and my sister, she's a driver over there, graciously decided that she'd give me a ride. She's had both COVID shots, so she's gonna pick me up from the airport as well. We got about 2 feet of snow on the ground. When I land, it's gonna be about 90 Fahrenheit, but super early. I didn't really sleep last night, and I was up all day. That's what happens when you book a flight 30 hours before you leave. So anyway, I'll update you on the way. In order to get into Costa Rica, I didn't need a COVID test or to quarantine, but I did need to purchase health insurance that covers all lodging and medical emergencies caused by COVID-19. Getting through customs was a lot longer due to each policy being verified. Once I was out of the airport, I rode in a shuttle from the airport to my hostel that I'll be at for the next few days. Since I've been up for the last 40 hours, I was tired and hungry. I did end up going to a restaurant that I had been to last year. This meal cost about $8 US. Sadly, my overtired self got lost, and I ended up walking around the back streets of San Jose for 2 hours in the dark. In the morning, I attempted to get internet and cell service on my phone without much luck, but I was able to get help from the great owners of the hostel, and I was good to go. The next morning, I was offered a drive into the city of San Jose by the owner of the hostel via an Uber. The roads are really fast and cars are buzzing by, but I was able to make it to the tourist area and saw Stilt Walker. This is just kind of where everybody comes, and it's really the pride and joy of San Jose. There were some street performers, and being hungry, did decide to go with one of the people in the hostel to a kind of a fancier restaurant, and he's going to be introduced right here.
Mi nombre es Alan Ledesma, soy de la ciudad de Culiacán, Sinaloa. Vine a visitar Costa Rica. He estado 15 días aquí en el centro de Sinaloa, Alajuela, San José.
I don't speak Spanish, but we did speak a decent amount back and forth using Google Translate as well as some mutual words. So if you can speak Spanish and understand him, let me know. After the meal, we walked throughout San Jose and went into an indoor market. There was everything from tourist items, electronics, furniture, raw fish, and more. It was kind of cool, but I haven't been in such an enclosed space with other people since the start of COVID.
Pura vida. Pura vida. Eso, pura vida. Es pura vida.
We then went to a museum in the center of town. I was sort of getting a hang of this camera thing. I've never done a vlog style before, and having a camera out in a public place is a little unnerving. So please let me know if you enjoyed this. I am located in the center of the country in San Jose, and so I decided to get a bus ticket to Puerto Viejo. It's a town on the Eastern Caribbean, 20 miles from the Panama border. Afterwards, I went back to the hostel and played some pool. It was time to start video editing. And after a few hours of my laptop crashing, while editing videos, I gave up, played a card game with some Germans, some other Americans, and a Mexican. Fun fact, the owner of this hostel is a professional entertainer, but that is a story for another time. Please let me know if you enjoyed this. Right now it's 2 a.m. in the morning, and I'm finishing up editing, and I look forward to sharing the rest of the trip with you.